what I was happy about ukuthi Umbatha no Sithole, they didn't jump in. They were very compact. Now we win the ball in the middle. And remember what I said, ukuthi if they don't come in the middle, they are going to play the ball MSID. And we needed to be alert of these parts. I'm not saying good you're not going to score. I'm just saying good it's very difficult. He could have passed the ball there. Before he decided to shoot. Or he could have passed it to the president. The president, Yama 2K, the president, Telecompo. Back on it. Abekom Nandi, they give us the ball. Wafetu Wana says. Our president, Yama 2K. Wafetu. 2 touch, already we are attacking. That's very well cut in. Maseko. Pagat. Inside.
Anabafana is the best team in the world. Hey!
Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Bafana 1, South Korea 0.
World Cup.
It's World Cup.
I can't don't be serious.
I'm serious.
Guys played very well. I'm happy with the things that I spoke about in my previous video. They have to be compact. Just give them space on the other side. And I'm happy to see Wuti Umanasesi started the game. I'm going to show you the importance Yagama Hope. Most of the guys played very well. It was a good performance. Remember, a game of football is made of attacking and defending. We defended very well. I'm going to show you how we were compact. Yes, Kona Labas break your corner in the first half. Right? Kona Labas break your corner in the first half. I'm going to show you. I don't think most of us understand this victory, right? Because these guys, South Korea, they start playing soccer bana 9 months. Imagine you start playing soccer in 9 months. It's a great performance. Bafana. Now, let's start. Right? The first minute of the game, I just want you to watch how compact we are. Remember, there is no perfect formation. Doesn't matter which is the formation. The most important thing is to always be compact because the goalposts are always in the middle. Our shift ISIT, no, the goalposts are always in the middle. So most teams, they'll always go wide, but eventually they'll come in the middle. I just want you to watch how compact we were. The two central midfielders, right? We are playing our normal formation. Why didn't we play our normal formation from the start? I understand, right? Umahopa blocks the path, the passing lane, right? You must always, I'm gonna show you Mabas break. What happened? There was a moment where they broke us in the middle. You see these two, Bayenzan. They are always closing down the passing lane, right? Ugutibanga passing midfielder. Just showing you in this clip, Uguti, how we were compact. It doesn't matter what you IP formation. As long as you're compact, if they play the ball in the middle, you're bound to win the ball at some stages in the game. You are bound to win the ball at some stages in the game, right? What I was happy about, Umbatha no Sithole, they didn't jump in. They were very compact. Now we win the ball in the middle, and we win it in the middle. Now it's counter-attack. When it's counter-attack, we have to utilize our chances or so. Sometimes, I always say, if you're a professional player, you need to use both feet. The whole country was frustrated. You are left-footed. We know everyone knows what is on your strong foot. But there's someone coming here. Why don't you go outside? Yeah? You want to come inside. you know ukuthi I'm not going to show you everything, right? South Korea had a chance in the second minute via corner kick. We blocked it. Mofokeng had a chance where Williams played a long pass, didn't control the ball. But now, remember what I said, Uguti. If they don't come in the middle, they are going to play the ball MSID. And we needed to be alert of this pass. They almost caught us here. Hey, cishe sivukela mahal. I did say, Uguti, we have to be alert. If they don't come in the middle, they are going to play it MSID. And what's good for Tina is Uguti. They were not smart. They didn't play the ball kakulu on Umutiba's side because Umutiba, we know Uguti are gonna pace. Another chance is South Korea. Now remember, when you are playing zonal marking, right? These two, they are closing down the passing lanes. They are not jumping into Gulama midfielders. These two are my midfielders, right? Abapresila, they are just standing here to cut down the passing lanes. Now, these two as well, you have to close down the passing lanes to the midfielders. If the midfielder is here, then it's okay, they can pass him the ball. But the moment as an up, we have to close down the passing lane. The problem with South Korea, they didn't rotate the ball enough. Now, watch what will happen. Look at these two midfielders. They jump in here. Ama strikers Zila, right? Mofokeng yes was playing as a 10. Now, watch what will happen. All alone, ya 10. Let me play it in the move. We were lucky here. We were lucky this guy couldn't control the ball. Now, let me take it back. Watch where Umbata is. This guy draws Umbata out wide. Kuba space, uyaya, usalai one. Umbogazi, uya pressa. Now, Umutiba is worried about coming here. Let them play it there. Worry about this man. Good covering, Lapaya. Those are the two chances that they got where they could have hit us in the first 15 minutes. But we did well after Lapo. After about 15 minutes or 20 minutes, that's when we started to play Nati. Mahop. Now, Umbata. There are certain things that other players, they do, and Abanta Megabas ball, right? You won't see them unless you look at the player, right? I always say, Guti, if you want to see Guti, how good is a player, you don't watch the match, just watch the guy. Now, this run, Umbata could have stayed here. He could have stayed here, and then I receive the ball, and then I'll pass it. He could have done that. There was nothing wrong. But what did he do? He makes a run. I'm going to show you what else he gives us when the video continues. In the video that I did, South Korea, right? I said they attack in two ways. They attack a diagonal pass, right? This is another thing that Umanasesi gives us. The president, Yalikompo, right? To protect the ball, all those small things. Sometimes I'll show you another one later on that he did second half. I don't think a lot of people saw it. The one that led to a goal. Yeah? This is what we need. This is what we need, guys. This is what Anagit. I'm sure kunabanye bebabhekele igame basengubeni. Ngathi ungaluma ingubo. Mfanagit. You don't have to use your strong foot njalo. Feet. There's no need. Use your right foot. Okay, sharp. If you want to use your left, if you want to use your left, he's the player that likes to tuck in and it. Why angazange amqede? Because remember, the defender is coming at the high speed. And sekaqala uyabriga, mqede futhi. And then you take a shot. But you want to take a shot, the defender is close to your left foot. Why ungamqedi uze ngapha? Oh, he could have passed the ball, but for me, he was supposed to shoot. Use your right foot, mpanagiti. When ufuna ukushaya ngenyawo lakho eli strong njalo, no, you are a winger. Imagine had he used his right foot. Mpanagiti. Mahopa had a great chance, but it was offside. I think if they offside, this was going to be offside. It was going to be offside. But he had the time to tap the ball. Okay, even if I can trip, that's one of the things that I understand why a lot of people or parent supporters bangamfuni because of it. So shiny team. Another chance, Yaga Masego. It was our ball. Yabaniga, Nabobaya Sniga. Our president, Bafetu. What a pass. First touch. Unfortunately, I think it's all about technique. It's all about technique. If you watch most Yamapola work, stand ukushaye ibhola phezulu, right? Just help ukuthi second half ibhola lushaye phansi sakora. There's no need ukuthi sometimes ufuna ukushaya a beautiful goal elihamba emoyeni. No, sometimes mina lihambe phansi. You could have done better. But everyone, near half time, everyone was complaining. Ukuthi hey, kube this sesile khoneni guy one. Second half. I have to give credit to Hugo Bros. The substitution. Most of the time, I'm a substitution, I am shy. But this time, he got it right. Not with the personnel, right? But the timing of it. Mina, I did say I would start Umurem, right? But Abakalanga Ngaye, he made an impact. His first touch or first contribution I got to gain, within a minute, he made an assist. Now, the timing of his substitution is very important. Some coaches are equal. By substitute and It is very important, guys, to know when to substitute or to see or you feel with no. This is when we should change a player. Some coaches do it too early, others they do it too late. But now, Umaseko, Mpanagiti. Even though what I like is, even though Abon he has cost, he has cost because this event, he didn't drop his head. That's one of the good things. INZ. When I says, Haka, Alia pass Bafetu, president. Now here, there's two players in Panagiti. Now let me take it back. Let me take it back, man. Remember when we played in Mexico, how we got the first red card. That guy didn't want to score. He wanted to get a foul. Omaseko could have done that. Just to be smart, he could have done that. Uze Pam got this guy. It's a foul, it's a red card. Says Lalamanje with one man X. Okay, sharp. He doesn't do that. Now, there's two guys here, Mpanagiti. By two. Vulegambo, Kipina, Rabina, Vulegambo. It's very difficult for you to score. Pamwabanda by two. It's very difficult. I'm not saying good you're not going to score. I'm just saying good, it's very difficult. He could have passed the ball there. Before he decided to shoot. Or he could have passed it to the president. The president, Yamatuke, the president, Telecompo, bakhona la. But the best option was Umfuke. But we decided to go then Ukshaya. And imagine that we lost the game. No, guys, we have to give credit. We must give credit. I need to be always criticize or complain now and then, right? But we must give credit. The guys were compact in the first half, in the second half. They were compact. They didn't give South Korea a chance in the middle. I'm just showing you, Guti, how we were compact. The problem in South Korea, I always talk about ball rotation. People are made tintele touchline. The ball was here, but now it does not come this side. Why? If you ball lithinta touchline, libuye lithinta touchline, the moment it comes back, liya ngale futhi, ispace sizobe sivulekile la phakathi nendawo. But they didn't do that. Bayenzani? Libuyela le. We are still compact thina la. Libuyela le, libazoyenzani? Bazofuna ukushaya i-cross. Angithi. Yeah, lana vele bacishe bas-cross because there was two in the middle. But the problem yabo. We were compact here. Besimnandi la phakathi. We were compact. But bona they didn't use an extra man on the side. And we say thank you. Korea had the chance. They had a chance, but it wasn't really a chance. If you think about Williams didn't do a lot. This is witchcraft. This is witchcraft. Angako umuntu ashaye i-step over, ufuna ukushaya umbatha nge-step over mara kuwa umutiba laphaya. Mutiba mfana kithi kuthephile so. This is witchcraft. This ball was going in, but the power of it, we defended very well. These guys only had 2 shots, I think, on target in the whole game. I know a lot of people don't like evidence when I say Zimahop. Mara, just think about it. When we did well, who have called? Like when we came third, who was playing as a striker? Game in, game out. The last game against the Czech Republic, when we scored the goal, who was playing as a striker? Now, in this game as well, Mahopa had a good game, guys. Had a good game. But now I'm going to show Pagat inside.
Bafana is the best team in the world. Hey, Bafana.
Pagat inside. The importance of evidence to Mahopa. You must always watch Mahopa when they play the ball to him. It's either he plays the ball one touch or Uzol Trapper a pass a foot second touch. He doesn't do a lot. He does because he knows hey, lose bafethu evidence Mahopa. Great goal from the team. Buye muva, evidence, President Yama 2K, bafethu. Great game, great goal. Final clip, bese ngiyayivala. We almost gave it away. Corner kick, siyalitshera kamnandi, angithi. But now, look how many of us are on the left-hand side. Our defenders, yes, they are still young. Umbokazi is still young, and Akona, they are still young. Whenever it's a corner kick, scary ball, we have to reorganize quickly. Because imagine if they scored, isikhathi la, yo bafethu, yo besizawuthini ebantwini, yo Thixo. Bola lenzani? Great pass, yo in between, yo besizawuthini ebantwini. Now watch what happens here. There's 2 in front here. There's 2 in front here. Kuzathula ezomaka. Yes, I understand. Maybe siza nge2 sisaba ukuthi uzothaka in bese ayashaya sharp. But now there's 2 here. Oh Jehovah. Ngizothini shislungu. If he had a stronger touch. Oh Jehovah. Oh Jehovah besizawuthini ebantwini. But as a South African, I'm sure Nani guys, you are very proud of Amajita. Most of us, I think in Korea, it's the team that we feared the most. And it's the team that we beat. That's to qualify. Now, Sijalane Canada on Sunday. Maybe next game, but guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.